Okay, we're going to check the bees, see how they're doing. They've been in there, what, 2 weeks? Is it 2 weeks?
2 or 3?
I think it's 2 weeks these bees have been in here, because was it last week? Yeah, it was last week that we checked them. So these bees have been in here for 2 weeks now.
Yep. You ready for me to pull the top?
Now on propping that top up, I was thinking maybe just a little stick like right here.
Oh yeah, that'd do it too. Look at that. You see that comb right there?
Yeah. My bonnet off. I don't want to get a bee in my bonnet. It's darn sure. There'll be under my bonnet, it'll be worse.
True.
What's saying for that?
Yeah, oh yeah. Look at that.
Is that a drone right there?
I think it was a worker bee. She's going gorge.
Man, they've got them frames welded together there.
They do.
Let's put a good pull this.
You might need your tool on that.
Let me finish tying myself off here.
There's just a little bit right there. But you're right. They've got them welded together right there.
Now, if you do this here, will they kind of crawl back down in there?
Oh, I bet they would.
Get over there, guys.
Oh, listen to them now.
Give them a little sugar. Give these bees a little sugar.
Do you see how these frames they haven't been touched? But this, look at that right there. You've got these two bound together. Your sugar water's right there. So I think if you move your sugar water right there, they're going to do the same thing on these 3 frames here. So they're working this way.
This one's almost empty, isn't it?
Yep.
You grab it and I'll go get it. Over here.
I've got one. I should have brought it. One of those things to stick down there and grab hold. Yeah, see,
That's
they're
almost
pulling.
untouched.
You see how it's pulling right there?
Beginning
If
to.
you look at the edge, and if you turn that around, which it's not going to matter if you move your source over here.
Nothing there. Nothing much there.
You can see, look at that, they're starting to cap. You see the capping?
Oh yeah.
Right there. Feel the weight of that frame.
Yeah, that thing's full of honey.
Yeah, right there.
Starting to build and cap up in here. It's heavy, it's full of honey.
A lot of capping going on right there.
Yeah. Look at the camera lens. We held it too high last time because the camera's looking a little lower.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, they're capped.
Yeah, I noticed that from the video.
Yep.
Still in fine clean, so we want to move him.
It actually works pretty good when I change it because I sneak in here when I'm changing the water.
Look at that.
Yeah, because I sneak out here and I just sneak up beside it and change it out. It's looking good, Penny.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Kind of looking for queen too. She's going to be in the heaviest area.
No, that was pretty heavy there. Whew.
She's marked yellow, right?
Yeah, she had a yellow mark on her.
Nothing. I didn't see her. Look at that next frame.
Oh my gosh. Huh.
A lot of working. Look at that next frame, Mark.
Yeah, they are really congregated around the sugar water, aren't they?
Mm-hmm.
It's no different. Everybody hangs out at the water cooler.
Yep. Tell you what, I got a 3-tap kegerator in my garage. That's where I hang out most of the time.
Now look at this. Well, there's not that much comb all compared.
Turn it around the other side. Let's see if. Oh, that one's the most right there. Isn't it?
What?
That Trent has.
Yeah, this one, you got a lot of cap cells right here. Down on the bottom, you see the breeders.
Oh,
and
yeah.
up on the top, you've got the sugar water. I'm looking for mama. That's a nice, healthy. Man, 2 weeks. These things work a hell of a lot harder than I do. I thought I worked pretty hard.
I knew they was working. Yeah, let me look at it close to be sure I don't see the queen. That's where the specs should be.
Yeah, you got it?
I got it. Yeah, they learned to glue them in here a little better this time because they fell out last time. So if we were going to be snooping around. Man, it's just amazing. These guys are just amazing.
Raise it up a little bit. Yeah.
So they are happy.
Yeah, that's the right.
You looked on this one already, didn't you?
I think we're good. Good smoke. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Oh yeah.
She's on the inside of the box.
Next to the wall. Alright. Let's get this frame in here. You want to? One of these?
Yeah. Hang on, let me get the roll. Keep from crushing a bunch of our little bees. You want to slide that one all the way down?
Yep. You ready?
Yeah.
There we go. And then you can just leave your sugar water where it is. That's what I did.
Yeah.
Put these naked frames in here.
Probably our next. Well,
I think. Well, yeah, you're right. That one is.
even though that's heavy, it's got a lot of honey in it.
Yeah, that other one's a little heavier and it's got more activity on it.